Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to cast this license plate topper that I made out of polystyrene XPS foam. And I'm going to cast this. I'm also going to cast this man cave sign. This one says Jim or Jim's Man Cave. Somebody reached out to me and asked me if I could make one for him. So I'm definitely doing that. And real quick, I'll show you a video I made before I actually coated this in plaster, explaining how I made this. Alright guys, so I don't have a video on carving this out. I did carve out the entire piece with my CNC, but I actually made all these registrations with like a pen. You could see it here. I used a pen to make the impression. So all these are done by just pressing on the foam with a pen or something semi-pointy so it doesn't puncture it. It just leaves an indent. So now with it complete, I'm going to coat this with a layer of drywall mud that I have mixed down with water that I always do. Alright guys, so the bucket I usually use for lost foam is a little bit too short for this cast. So I'm going to use a 5-gallon bucket that has another 5-gallon bucket cut. And it fits right inside, which allows me to get the height needed to cast this. So I don't know if anybody noticed that the top section that I had on this bucket here was missing. And that's because I ran out of sand when I was making the cast for this one. So I had to steal it from this one. So we're gonna let both of these sit for about a half an hour and just let them cool off gradually. I'm not gonna quench them today. So stick around and I'll remove these from the sand. All right, guys, so I wire brushed this one already. This is all done. I just need to cut off this and cut off this and clean up the back. But this one came out really good. Basically flawless. I don't see any issues with this cast. This is a perfect cast right here. Now, the other one, I still need to clean this up with a wire wheel. You can see some flashing on the edges that I could just easily grind off. But right here, I got some flashing here, and a little bit here, and a little bit here. So other than that, it came out really good. So I will see if I can get those off and clean it up. Let's go. All right, guys, that is it for today's video. This thing came out fantastic. Look at that shine. I was just gonna wire wheel it, but it definitely needed some sanding. So let's mount it to the car and see what it looks like. It fits perfect and it looks amazing. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe.